The world is changing faster than we anticipated. 2020 and the coronavirus itself is a case in point. It has gotten us to revisit our core values, our priorities in life, and make a lot of radical changes. This year is not a random blip in the show. It is actually the beginning of a new humanity. And all the changes we have made in 2020 are going to be here to stay. And we are going to be required to make yet more changes to our life. The external scenarios will continue to change at a rapid pace. The world is already changing far faster than what any of us could have anticipated. Even when we look at the younger generation or children of this age, we realize that they are far faster, they are far more intelligent in so many ways, they adapt to anything new so much faster. All of this shows the pace at which the world is evolving. In order to survive, realistically speaking, in order to survive in this rapidly changing world, it is required that we upgrade. In order to upgrade, it is required that first we learn how to be comfortable with change. First, we accept change, embrace change, be okay with the rate at which everything is changing around us and requiring us to also change. Once we embrace change, then we get into this next possibility of harnessing change and thriving in change. 2 millennia ago, Buddha walked for 45 years across the length and breadth of this country to teach this simple philosophy that life is a flux. And he taught some extraordinary principles about becoming comfortable in this flux and thriving in it. We're going to touch upon these principles in the context of the current times. We are going to revisit each of them. We are going to learn how, through noticing change and acknowledging it, we can embrace it, become comfortable in it, become comfortable with the pace at which everything is changing in our life, whether it is about priorities, whether it is about technology, whether it is about the push back, in terms of the way we have to change our nature and our behavior patterns and our attitudes with anybody and everybody around us. As we learn this, gradually we can outlearn others, because currently we are stuck in a race against people who are faster than us in terms of learning, against machines which are again faster than us, and against the entire world, because the internet has more or less democratized everything, brought the entire world into the playground. So in order to survive during these times, it is important to outlearn, it is important to outgrow everybody. And this is a realistic assessment. So while on one hand we are here to cooperatively work with everybody, to become a team player, to master the science of working together, but at the same time we have to also be realistic and outlearn everybody, be so quick at changing ourselves that the changing times become a blessing for us. We will touch upon all these concepts along with a very powerful meditation to help you upgrade and change during these changing times, which require and call upon us to become higher versions of ourselves far faster. I welcome you for this seminar once again. Thank you, thank you, thank you.